Hey guys, it's me, Black Rabbit, and today we're rating EIS alarms once again. And here we got Iceland. I don't think anyone's ever rated this one before. Anyways, let's get into it. What was that? Anyways, 2 out of 10. I like the sounds a little bit, but yeah, it's not that scary. Okay, this is Italy's EIS alarm. Okay, that's a 5 out of 10. It's a good beat, but it's not that scary. Germany EIS alarm. It sounds a lot like Brazil's, but it says it's the real one, and I couldn't find the real one. But this really sounds like Brazil's. I don't know why. Anyways, 2 out of 10 for kind of copying. Okay, this is Mexico's EIS alarm. What even is this? This is like a kid's show. And why is this bird having like a snake? Is that a snake? I'm pretty sure that's a snake. Anyways, 5 out of 10. British. They literally stole my EIS alarm. Anyways, 2 out of 10 for stealing. Okay, this one shows me the top 3. But I don't know. Hello? Okay, that's just beeps. 1 out of 10. Swedish EIS alarm? One out of 10. More beeps. This is the Scotland one from 1960. I don't know if this is real or not, so let's just listen to it. Seven out of 10. That gave me the creeps and chills. The Switzerland EIS alarm. I gotta start it over. You get a 2 out of 10. That isn't too scary. Denmark EIS alarm. 2 out of 10. I thought it said, here's the chicken nuggies when it's doing this. I'm sorry, but I don't know how to say this EIS alarm, but let's rate it. Hurry. 2 out of 10 because I can't do it. Bye.